Wondering if you should accept the first offer of compensation from the insurance company on your personal injury case. And the answer is no, you shouldn't. The reason being is it's a first offer. Whatever is in your mind that you think that you rejecting that offer means they're not going to come back with something else is false. I just want you to stop thinking that, um, because that's what the insurance company wants you to think. They want you to think, well, if you don't take this offer, that's it. We're going back down to zero if you don't accept our crappy offer. Um, First thing is to know your rights, to know what you're actually available to get compensated for. You know, your medical bills are only one portion. Your lost wages are only another portion. Your pain and suffering is another. And what proof you need to get compensated for those, it varies. Some insurance companies accept certain types of documents and others don't. For your lost wages, sometimes they don't take your word for it. Actually, most of the time they don't take your word for it. They say, well, you have this, how do we know it's related? And that's why you have to get documents put together from your HR department, and proof. So there's a lot of things to take into consideration about rejecting that first offer. Um, but know that the first offer is not going to be the last offer in most cases. In the most case, they offer you the crappy offer first, and then you keep moving up. And at some point, the adjuster is going to say, "That's all the money we've got. Take it or leave it." And at that point, that's when you need to take a serious look at: is this what I need to be compensated for? Is this worth it? And most of the time, the answer is no. Um, Depending on the insurance company, if you see a commercial for them, they're usually not that great at settling claims with you, um, and you want to just take a look. And ultimately, if you don't want to file a case and you don't want to hire a lawyer, then the final offer is their best offer. Because if you don't file a lawsuit, that's your next step. There's no other opportunity to get compensated for your injuries. So you got that first offer, you said no. What happens next? Typically, what they'll do is they may ask you for more documents. Uh, they may ask you, why did you decline it? You don't need to give a reason of why you declined the settlement offer. The reason can be simply this: it wasn't good enough. And either the insurance company will say, okay, here's an extra 500,000, $250, or they'll say, okay, well, we just disagree, and that was our best offer, and either take it or leave it. Um, and again, that's where you go hire a lawyer if you think that you're not getting fairly compensated, because your next step is filing a lawsuit, because it's the only way to get the insurance company's attention. If you're in that type of situation, or you got an offer and you want to talk to a lawyer about it, give Bressman Law a call, 614-538-1116, or you can email me at Jedidiah@bressmanlaw.com.